Ketone bodies are the breakdown of fat metabolism. So what does that mean? It means that when our body starts to use fat as a source of fuel, it breaks it down and creates these little molecules called ketone bodies, with one of the most abundant ones being beta-hydroxybutyrate or BHB. Most people are never in that state where their body is creating ketones. Why? Because we're so used to being sugar fueled, meaning we eat a lot of sugar or glucose, and so our body uses that sugar to create energy or fuel. The only time our body is able to create ketones is when we stop and lower our carbohydrate consumption and allow our body to make use of that fat to create fuel. When we need the energy and the sugar's not there, it's going to reach for the fat, break down the fat to create those ketones.